Hi everyone, welcome to Fox Focus. It's time for today's edition of Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Ricks. I'm being joined today by Jeffrey Pittman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. Hey Jeff, how are you?
I'm great, Melanie. How are you?
Doing well. The sun's shining.
It's a beautiful day.
Yes, it is.
All right, I got a tough one for you.
Okay.
So you went to a Brewers day game, they win, and you are driving home. You live in the North Shore, and you have to come up on northbound 43. Because it was a day game, you kind of hit rush hour traffic, right? So it's a little bumper to bumper, and you want to get changed from your left travel lane to the right travel lane, so eventually you'll be able to get off of 43. As you are about to make your lane change, a motorcycle comes down the center lane between those two lanes. Lane splitting, have you heard of that before?
Yes, I have.
Okay. So that motorcycle driver is lane splitting. You don't see that driver. You smack into the driver, and he ends up busting his leg as a result of that, okay? So case or no case under that scenario?
I would assume there's probably no case.
I don't think that there's a case, and the reason is that lane splitting is illegal in Wisconsin, and I think one of the primary reasons that it's illegal is that it's unsafe for the motorcyclist, right? That, you know, people don't expect that, and they come along and they get hit. So there's not a case in that scenario.
That's a really good scenario. And if you're wondering whether or not you have a case, all you have to do is dial the threes. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.